Hi, this is Kirti from Aviso, and in this video I'll take you through Aviso's dashboard section. Dashboard is a quick high-level snapshot of your business and your current forecasting performance. To begin with current forecast, quota is nothing but your plan, and this is the number of days left towards your end of your quarter. And here is Aviso's forecast based on AI, and the percentage here tells you if Aviso's forecast is above or below your plan. And this is your entire open pipeline taken from the CRM system. And these values differ as per your business metrics. Scrolling down to the next section, which is what's changed, you will have ability to see what's changing in your plan, Aviso forecast or pipeline since last week by region, or you can see what's changing from the beginning of the month or from the beginning of the quarter. Let's say maybe you want to see how is your plan changing week on week in the middle of the quarter, and towards the end of the quarter you want to see what's changing every day. Scrolling down to the next section, which is COVID-19 deals. Since March 2020, our data science team has worked on COVID impact on businesses and introduced COVID forecasting. So here is a list of deals that are at risk due to COVID-19 impact, and these are the deals that are upside due to COVID-19. Moving to the next section, which is current quarter sales. In this graph, the red line indicates your plan and the dark blue line indicates Aviso forecast and the light blue line indicates COVID forecast. The yellow line in the graph is expected realization, which is path to plan, which tells you where you have to be at a given point of time in order to achieve your plan. And in the left hand section you see forecast to plan by region, book to plan by region. And the next topics, current quarter pipeline, deal changes, top deals will be covered in my next video. Thank you.